start. This is loop 1 2 3 4. This pattern multiple 4. 1 2 3 4. I have 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. I have 20. I'm gonna make 4 more. 1 2 3 4. So I'm gonna make in fourth. Okay, I have 24, so I'm gonna make double crochet in fourth. This is always include as a double crochet this chain 3, chain 2, same stitch, make 2 more. 1 2, yarn over 1 2 3 in the fourth, make more. 1 2, chain 2, like this, yarn over 1 2 3 in the fourth, sorry, chain 2, 2 again, double crochet in the same stitch, yarn over 1 2 3 in the fourth, chain 2, yarn over 1 2 3 in the fourth, chain 2, so yarn over. I have 4 stitch left. I'm gonna make again in last one, fourth one, same, make chain 2, 4, 2 more, 1 2. So this pattern is, we go like this. I will show you how. Make chain 1. So not in first one, I'm gonna make in second, top of the second slip stitch, 1 slip stitch in there, 1 more, make chain 3 again here, same process. This pattern always same process, chain 2 more, 2 in there, same V, on top of the next V, chain 2, two more, chain 2, 2 double crochet in there, this part is so simple pattern, even learner or beginner can make this scarf, baby blanket, shawl with this pattern. baby's dress, sorry, there. So let's go like this. Okay, chain 1, same process in top of the second double crochet like this, then in the V slip stitch again, 1 2 3, make chain 2, in the V, next so nothing change, just continue like this until your project end. Chain 2, just repeat like this until your project end. This is so incredible, and you can finish quickly whatever you want to make, baby's dress, shawl, baby scarf, whatever you want. Chain 1 and so you can see how it will go this pretty. This pattern side is like this, okay? So just continue like this. I will show you at the end this pattern. Nothing change, just repeat like this. Okay viewers, I'm gonna finish this my pattern in here. I'm gonna stop here so you can see this pattern's edges like this, okay? I hope you love it, this pattern. So make chain 1 at the end, then coil your yarn when your project is end like this, then coil this yarn. I'm not gonna coil my yarn, so you can see both sides. This pattern has both sides same. It's so easy and pretty pattern. Baby blanket, baby's dress, scarf, shawl, so many things you can make this pattern. I hope you're gonna like it. If you like, please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for a nice compliment.